So basically, get yourself like one of these sponge, small piece of sponge, and just yeah, especially where this is like for this one right here, what that's with the laser to map the place. So you want to clean it so they can see. The reason why people keep saying, "Oh, it doesn't work," because yeah, well, they didn't clean it, and the thing get tangle up, and that's how the system burn out. But if you clean it at least once every 10 times use, it will work. I had this unit for a good 2 years, 3 years already, and just every once in a while I clean it out, like every 10 use, 15 use, I clean it out. Just make sure that it's not tangled up in the brush, and it should be good. Like for this one, this is the camera right here, so they need to see where they're at, or they need to see there's lens or not. So make sure it's clean, the lens, so they can pick up stuff. So as you can see, it's all cleaned up from the inside. So now I put it back in, put all the part back in. So this brush, one head is over here, click it back in, and there you go, over here. Make sure it's falling to the where it's supposed to be. See? Alright. And put this back on, snap it in. Don't forget the brush. I think I do need to buy a new set of filter and accessory with this thing. And maybe change the battery. The battery start to be very weak now. So there you have it. Done. Got a brand new robot. So there you have it. This is a pretty good robot. Even though it's at least it's been now like 4 years. I had it for like 3 years, and so it's considered like an old school iRobot. But then it does very well. It does it cleans very well. The way they're mapping the floor, they don't miss any spot. And the great thing about it is that they picked up all the fine dust, all the dead skin, micro, dust in there, like on the floor, which your regular vacuum would not be able to pick it up. This guy does, and he don't miss a spot. And my house is like full of stuff, and it would navigate around the place easily. So Neato, I give you a thumbs up. Even though your battery are not that great. I would say like after 2 years, you probably have to replace your battery. And my battery right now it needs to be replaced because it only lasts about 40 minutes each time full charge, which is, but luckily my house is really, it's a small size, so one charge actually almost enough to clean up the whole house. So yeah, very good item. And yep, that's how you clean it up, and that's how you maintain your your vacuum to keep it working right. Right, that's a needle, and this is made in USA, California. Didn't realize that, but yeah, okay. Good one. Alright guys. The next video I will show you how it navigate the room, and you would be amazed at how they do it. Okay, see you next time.